Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to baby Celine. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning, everyone. Hey, who's 1 month old today? Hey, who's 1 month old today? Hello. Hello. I can't believe it, guys. It's been 1 month na since I pushed my baby out. Hello, princess. How's your 1 month, honey? In the outside world. Yes? Yeah? Ang tagal namin hindi nakapag-vlog, guys. I think it's over a week yata. Hindi nakapag-vlog si mami nyo. Kasi, yeah, it's been a challenging week for us. With this one here. Hindi nyo lang nakikita kasi parang relax na relax siya ngayon eh. Ayan. Kasi 1 month old siya. But yes, very challenging week. Yes, honey? Yes, my baba? Ha? Nakabihis yan siya because dadalhin namin ang kanyang ate sa paaralan. Anak? Are you warm enough, anak? Are you warm enough? Hello. Hello, 1 month old baby. Hello, big girl ni mama. Uy. Big girl ikaw ni mama? So, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog. Oh my God. It feels strange ngayon nag-vlog tayo after a week na hindi tayo nag-vlog. Hindi ko to nahawakan ng ating camera. So, as mentioned, guys, it's been a challenging week for us with baby Celine. Yes, paiyak-iyak niya. Hindi siya nagpapalagay. So, today, she is a month old. So, it means it's been a month na wala tayong tulog. Ha? Mukha pa ba tayong tao, guys? Hindi naman sa walang tulog, guys. So, exaggerated naman si mami eh. Pero hindi maganda yun. Maganda yung ating tulog. Akala ko kung kinakausap ng Daddy Mike. Wala tayong saktong tulog, guys. So, it's been a month. And, yeah. Not complaining. I'm just saying. Ayan. Ayan o. Nire-ready na rin ang kanyang tatay itong isa. Kasi, itadrop natin to siya. And then, ayaw niyang pumunta. Kasi gusto niyang magstay ito sa bahay. Sige, morning, anak ko.
Good morning.
Yeah, welcome back
To our chili.
channel. Show me your hair, babe. Very beautiful hair. Wow. Wow. See? See? Oh. I love you, anak. I love you, anak. Ayan. At ngayon, napag-isipan ko na mag-vlog tayo. Kasi nga, diba, one month na ang ating baby girl. At gusto kong parang tawag ito, meron tayong document. Ganun. Sa kanyang 1 month. At ganito lang ako, guys. Oh, ito lang yung susutin ko kasi hindi na ako lalabas ng sasakyan. Si Daddy Mike pala ay sasama kasi nga, diba, sabi ko, it's very hard for me to take Paris sa paaralan niya. Paaralan na lang kasi ito na nagdadabong siya kapag mention kong English word ng paaralan. And isasama ko para si Daddy Mike yung mag-drop sa kanya at sasakyan lang kami ni Baby C. Napaiyak-iyak na. Anya. See, Ate Paris and Daddy is drinking water. See? They're racing. Go, Ate. Go, Ate. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Oh, boom, 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 boom. It's okay, my love. We're going now. Well done, Ate. Quick, quick. Tingnan niyo sa Daddy Mike. Meron siyang AirPods kasi nag-meeting yan siya sa work. So, buti na lang pwede sa phone. So, kahit sa sasakyan kami. Makakasama pa rin siya sa meeting nila sa work. Good job, Ate Paris. You need your jacket na. We'll go get your jacket. We'll go get Ate Paris' jacket. No. We'll get Ate Paris' jacket. What happened?
Sugar.
The sugar?
Yeah, the sugar from the medicine.
From the medicine?
Yeah, but the other one is right here.
Do you love sugar?
I do.
You do?
I do.
But do you know that too much sugar is not good for you?
Cause you may.
What's gonna happen if you eat a lot of sugar?
You look like Beb's teeth.
You look like Baby Celine's teeth. Baby Celine doesn't have teeth. So yeah, that's right. Your teeth will fall off.
There's another bit.
Hmm?
Well, Bob's the dogs have two.
Yeah, Royce Bedois as well. You have to wear your jacket, huh? Because it's cold.
So cold in here.
Yeah, wear your jacket now. Here's our baby Celine. Ay, shush, naglaway-laway na lagi. Naglaway-laway na lagi ang baby girl. Nakasay mo medyo sa anak. Missing? Missing in action, nak? Where is your socks? Boy. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Hmm? Baby. Baby Celine tut tut turut turut. Baby Celine tut turut turut. Nagdulo ay nasad ka na. Hmm? Shush, big girl naman kayo na ang baby oh ni mama oh. 1 month naman na oh. Ni. Okay, mama smile ba? Smiley smiley. Smiley, smiley. Habu. Peekaboo. 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 Dead man, ah? Dead my bells? Oh, sure. Okay, you wanna hold the camera? Okay. You wanna vlog? Do you wanna vlog? Ito may isang ayaw niyang pumunta sa ano niya, paaralan. Weh. Nak, could you close the door, Nak, please?
Huh?
Close the door. Okay, go. Go na. It's sunny, guys, pero naginaw pa rin. What have you got in there? Are you holding the car key?
Yeah.
Good job. And we'll go in the car. We'll go in the car, sweetheart. Come on, Ate Paris. Quick, because we have to open the car.
Mommy,
Yes?
how is this?
Hmm? Give it to Daddy. Okay. You have to, hi. You have to look left and right to make sure there's no cars coming. Okay, we're going. You be a good girl, okay? Okay.
I'm not hungry.
You don't have to eat. Give mommy a kiss.
I'll eat later.
Yes. Give mommy a kiss. Hey. I love you.
Love you.
Take care, sweetheart. See you later. Ayun, pinasok na ng kanyang tatay ang ating Ate Paris, guys. So, I think since last week or this week lang ata. So, we decided to put Paris back in the childcare for 2 days. So, remember, we, decrease namin yung day niya before for 1 day lang a week. But then, we changed our mind. We thought na talaga, parang it's very good for everyone na 2 days per week si Ate Paris sa school kasi pag nasa bahay siya, sobrang bored siya. Although Daddy Mike is working from home, full-time yung trabaho niya, so minsan hindi talaga anong tawag dito, si Daddy Mike kasi guys, gusto niya talaga mag-spend ng time with Baby Paris kapag nasa bahay siya. At naaawa siya kay Ate Paris kapag nasa lounge room lang, nanonood ng TV or doing drawing. Gusto niya talagang makalabas and makapaglaruan also. Kaya yun, kaya naisipan namin na ibalik siya sa school for 2 days. And yeah, it's good for us as well kasi parang anong tawag dito, si Celine na lang yung inaanuhan namin sa bahay for that 2 days, ganun. So si Paris hindi naboboard, hindi pa iyak-iyak kasi kami yung nagigilty.
A few moments later.
It's now 10:16 ng umaga and kakapark lang namin sa harapan ng cafe. Daddy Mike just went out to grab some coffee for us para magising kami guys kasi burlog pa rin si mami nyo. Kagabi, it's not too bad last night actually. More nakatulog si baby Celine more than, the last week talaga. But I had to sit down and hold her. Yung parang nakaupo lang ako sa bed tapos hinahawakan ko siya, pinapadede. Kumusta tayong lahat, guys? Kumusta tayong lahat? Na-miss ko yung mga comments nyo. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog at hindi ako nakapag-upload. Meron pang mga videos from, last week. Hindi ko palang na-edit. It's not that nagpapahinga ako, guys. Hindi ko gustong, ayoko magpahinga from vlogging. Kasi, I really want to do it. Pero, I really had to, have a break for the last week. Parang hindi talaga kinaya ng powers ko. Hindi talaga kinaya ng katawan ko. I'm actually feeling a bit better now compared to maybe 2 days ago na parang paiyak-iyak talaga ako guys kasi I feel so tired. Yun bang whole night na umiiyak si baby Celine and yeah, basta so tiring lang talaga guys. Like I'm having a meltdown. So, ayun. Kaya, wala talagang, walang power, walang strength, walang energy para mag-vlog. Ayan, oh. Ayan. She's making noises again. So, alam niyo yung nakakatulong sa akin at the moment is this white noise. So, piniplay ko lang siya sa YouTube. Kaya, yan yung, I noticed na itong particular one na to, yung nag-help talaga sa kanya na makarelax at makatulog. So, minsan sa gabi, kapag, she is unsettled, so, piniplay ko to siya. Malapit talaga sa tainga niya. And it seems to be helping. So, now that we've been together for a month, parang we are getting to know each other. So, mas alam ko na yung, hindi fully pa talaga ha, but parang alam ko na yung mas gusto niya, yung ayaw niya, ganun. So, as mentioned, yung white noise na yun, yung particular one na yan, yung colic relief for baby, calm crying infant with white noise sound, ganyan. I noticed na yan talaga yung nag-work para sa kanya. And also walking, sa pram, and that. So, yan, that's the only time na parang nakaka-relax siya ng ganun. So, it makes me happy kapag maganda yung araw, hindi umuulan, para at least nailalakad ko siya sa labas. And, yeah, knowing that Ate Paris is at school, it's good kasi alam ko na she's having fun there, so hindi ako nag-iisip too much na naboboard siya or umiiyak siya, ganun. And I feel guilty nga rin kasi kapag nasa bahay siya at naboboard siya. And also, yun bang wala akong tulog. So, medyo bugnutin si mami niyo at minsan hindi ko na si Baby Paris. Kaya siguro umiiyak ako guys kasi I feel like I'm a really, I'm a bad mother. Alam niyo yun. But, seriously, I am trying to do my best. I'm doing everything guys para maalagaan yung dalawa. And yeah, I'm so glad kasi alam niyo, Daddy Mike is there, ganun. Paano na lang kung wala si Daddy Mike, na lang, ewan ko na talaga guys. Iwanan ko na lang talaga. And this lockdown doesn't help at all kasi wala kaming napupuntahan. So, hindi na ano yung mga bata. Dito lang kami sa bahay, pa walking sa park, yun lang. So, hindi kami nakakapunta kung yung mga play center, yung mga ganun, or kahit yung mga restaurant para mailabas lang yung mga ano ba, energy. Wala. Kasi, lockdown, hindi pa namin alam kung kailan kami makakalabas dito sa lockdown na to. And today, oh, I'm so glad lang nagpababa si baby Celine, nakapaghilamos tayo. Ayan, nakalagay ng moisturizer. Yun na lang talaga yung nagagawa natin ngayon, guys. Wala na. But, you know, these two shall pass. 1 month na siya ngayon. So, hopefully, she'll start settling soon. Si Daddy Marco. Ayan. Work is calling. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Daddy. Ilalagay na naman natin yung white noise o kasi nagigising. Thank you, Bob.
Welcome.
What did you get?
Spanakopita.
Huh?
Spanakopita.
Oh, sorry, I can't see it.
Have a bite.
What is it?
Spanakopita. Have a big bite, Bob. And the coward. It's
Spinach.
filo pastry, cheese, spinach.
Yeah, for me.
The Greek. Spanakopita. Are they yummy?
It's okay.
Bob, get it out of your head that it's spinach. Is it yummy?
It's not my kind of food.
Do you hate it?
I like that. Tatapos lang mag-dede ng ating 1-month-old baby here. Ayan. Ayan. Sleeping mode, napag ka na? Sleeping mode, napag ka? Nanonood pala kami kay Tita Reyes. Tita Reyes ni Babe Celine. Nangangkon ka. Nangangkon ka. Makain pala ako nito, guys. Oo, habang karga-karga ko siya. Kasi if hindi ako kumain habang karga ko siya, I won't have a chance to eat. Ano pala yan? Mango float from Ate Richel. From the other day. Sarap-sarap. Pasensya na sa noise, guys, kasi ang ating daddy ay nag-work na may meeting. Mag-change natin na. And then we'll have actually have a bath. Pag nagising na to siya fully, kasi tingnan niyo. Hi! Hi, tita and tito. Hello? Hello? Hey, what's this? What's this noise? Ooh. What is that? Oh, what's this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is that, Mama? What's that noise? Do you know what that noise is, honey? What was that? What was that? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hey, are we gonna have a bath now? Ayan siya, guys. So, meron siyang cradle cup. Yan yung tinatawag nilang cradle cup. Diyan sa kanyang noo. But other than that, yung kanyang skin is pretty good, actually. Nakno? Hindi dry, nakno? Woohoo! Who's having a bath? She loves her bath. Hindi ko lang mabibideo, guys, kasi sobrang liit ng bath. Kasi wala akong mapaglagyan ng camera. Guys na? Ay, guys no. Nakno? Nakno? Kid Mama Smiley? Smiley, smiley. Smiley, smiley for mama. Pika, 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 boo. Pika, 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 boo. Ha. Ha, boo. Shh. Not very serious, mga anak. Why so serious? You very serious now? You very serious? Huh? No, give me a smile, nakwa. Smiley, smiley. Pika, pika, boo. Wa. Bad, bad, nak, bad, bad. Let's go have a bath, mommy.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo. It's now 3 o'clock ng hapon and we are outside. So, Daddy Mike got caught up with work so hindi siya nakalabas ng bahay. Busy siya sa meeting and all. So, kami na lang ni Baby Celine yung lumabas. Kanina pa pala kami nakalabas, guys. So, we are on our way home. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung papunta kami dito kasi alam nyo ba, umiyak siya and I think wrong timing yung pagkaalis ko kasi kailangan na siyang i-feed. So, what I've done, I stopped sa isang park na may bench na ganito din. Ayan, tapos pinadedicate ko siya konti. And then, yeah, so ayan, nakatulog na naman siya. So, nag-grocery kami konti, guys, kasi may mga, kakailanganin sa bahay, yung wipes and all. Tapos, bumili na rin ako ng salmon from the supermarket kasi gusto kong mag-fry ng salmon tonight with rice. I think we still have rice. And, gutom ako, guys, kaya bumili ako nito kasi I've been craving for a while now. Sushi. I've got California and I've got teriyaki chicken. There you go. So, hindi ko na ipapakita ang ating baby girl kasi ayokong magulat na naman yan siya at magising. So, ayan ang ating nabili. Tapos, meron pa sa ilalim. Diyan. So, it's a nice day. Hindi siya mahangin. It is cold, but hindi siya mahangin, guys. Bakit ako iiyak ko yung aking mata ay sobrang So, ito lang yung pa-outfit natin today. So, naka-Adidas ako na jumper. Tapos, nakapag-short si mami niyo and then, just Adidas na sneakers. Yan lang. So, perfect day for walking. Gusto ko talagang mag-walking ngayon, guys, kasi alam nyo, ang ating baby Celine ay mahimbing yung kanyang tulog kapag nilalakad siya. And also, exercise din for mommy kasi parang ilang kilo na yata yung na-add natin sa ating weight. Mga isang baril na siguro. But, that's fine. That's all good. So, kain muna ako, guys, ha? I'll speak to you again soon. She's starting to make a noise now. Mamaya na, anak. Medyo hindi pa tayo halfway. Spring na dito, guys, oh. Kasi yung mga ganito, malabas na. Yan, slowly. Flowers. Super quiet dito, no? Super quiet nga na hindi lockdown. Paano pa kaya lockdown? There you go. Tingnan niyo, guys. We bought these from Target online because they're closed still. Shops are closed still. Dumating kahapon. Hello. Hello, baby. Do you like that one? Do you like it? This is nice, oh. Hey, what is this, Baba? I think the only downside on this one kasi hindi niya maabot. Ayun, oh. But at least dito dapat sana konti. Hey, Josh! Baligya pa, Baligya pa, Baligya pa, Tita, Tito. Nagpiyong-piyong na po din siya. Kaya gusto na po siya matulog. So, wake up, anak. Kaya di na po ka matulog unyang gabi, Ba? Baba, anak ba? Give mommy smiley, B. Smiley, smiley. Celine Ray. Celine Ray. Hi. Gustong-gusto niya, kinakantahan siya ng daddy niya, happy birthday. Happy birthday, 1 month. Nak, 1 month ago today, Mama pushed you out. And you came out in this wonderful world. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. And have a look at you now, 1 month old. Ba? Ba, anak? Have a look at her hair, guys. Tumutubo siya ng mabilis ba? I noticed. Kay Paris before, yung buhok ni baby Paris, hindi siya ganito ka, 1 month. Sobrang, na. Very dark ng kanyang hair. Hair? Oh? Nagyap lang hair na. Mahaba pa dito, guys, Yung dito, Kita niyo ba? Shush. What is this now? Star. Had enough, mommy. Star. Big girl, big girl natin, baby, Nah. Okay.
A few moments later.
Look who's home. What is that, Jovey? Nakatanggap siya ng lolly bag. We show tita and tito the lolly bag. Whose birthday was it today?
Larian.
Who? What's her name?
Evelyn.
Evelyn?
Yeah.
Abi, show me what's inside, B. Show tita and tito what's inside.
Okay.
Wow, there's candy.
I've got this candy. I've got this pizza one.
Wow, pizza.
Pizza.
And there's toys.
Yes. I've got this one.
Wow, kakapasok ko lang
I've
namin,
got
guys.
this zipper.
Wow.
There's a picture of a dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Oh, look at this one. See? Look, did you say hi to baby Celine?
Hi, there's Celine.
Give baby Celine a kiss. Oh, here, Hey, Josh! Kiss mo na si Ate Paris. Ay! Did you poo-poo, Baba girl? I can smell something fishy.
Why?
Baby girl, yes, anak. Oh, trolls. Is it trolls?
The troll watch.
Whoa.
Where's the troll watch?
Okay. Can I have that one?
Yeah, that's the bubbles.
Did you poo-poo again, my love? Paiyak-iyak na naman to siya sa sasakyan. Oh, shush! I think you did, honey. I think you did. Happy, Nak, you have to sing happy birthday to baby Celine, Nak. It's 1 month today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to baby Celine. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, thank you, Ate Paris. Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray. I say I say happy parade too.
Yeah.
Baby.
Happy 1 month old baby Celine.
Celine.
Did you have a good day at school?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Play.
Play what?
Slide and I find a ladybird like I was one last night.
Really?
Yes,
Where
it's
is it? Where did you put it?
The teacher put it in the tree. Okay? I see a ladybird last night.
Seen a ladybird?
Yeah, the color orange.
Where?
And it's in a tree of it.
Was it?
Yeah.
Titing. Yes. This one too. See, this one poo poo too. Ping, peeping, 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 peeping,
I
peeping.
want to open it.
Okay.
I don't know if you open it. I don't know if you open it, Mommy.
Okay, let's open it, babe. Pull it. You have to pull it, nak. The other one. Think. Oh yeah, that one. Okay, pull. Pull it up. Oh, we have to cut your nails again, ako. Ayun, nasad.
But I don't know to open it.
Mama, open. Someone's in bed now. Someone's in bed. Yes. Ayan, we'll change her clothes. Ayan. Para makapag-ready na siya. Although, nakagising lang yan. Kasi, nagpahawak yan siya. Nak na. Oh! Stretch. Tapos, ito, sa gabi guys, ito yung pinapasuot ko sa kanya. So, sleeping bag. Maganda to siya kasi pwede siyang swaddle na rin. So, see? Pwede ko siyang i-close dito para nakapasok yung kamay niya. Pero I know she wants her arms up. Oh, sorry, anak. Kaya ito ay open, yung isa ay kino-close ko. So, kahit hindi na siya mag-blanket, she's still warm. Ito, anak. Change the nappy. Woohoo. Ang Ate Paris niya ay nanonood pa rin ng TV. Where's Ate Paris now? Is she still watching TV? No crying. I'm really hoping guys na she'll learn to parang i-console yung self niya ba? Kasi most of the time talaga naiiyak siya. Maldito talaga itong batang ito ba? Okay. We'll change the clothes.